The 2026 Renault Captur represents a notable advancement in the compact SUV segment, demonstrating Renault's commitment to innovation, efficiency, and contemporary design. The vehicle's exterior has been refined with a more aerodynamic profile, featuring a sleeker front grille, updated LED lighting, and a sculpted body that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The interior, designed with ergonomics in mind, offers a spacious and modern layout, integrating high-quality materials and an intuitive digital interface. The elevated driving position, coupled with a well-calibrated suspension system, ensures both comfort and visibility, making the Captur a compelling option for urban and suburban drivers alike. From a mechanical perspective, the Captur offers a diverse range of powertrains, catering to both traditional and environmentally conscious consumers. The plug-in hybrid variant, equipped with a 9.8 kilowatt-hour battery, provides an electric-only range of approximately 50 kilometers, making it particularly suitable for city commuting while reducing emissions. Additionally, the model is available with a selection of turbocharged petrol engines, including a 1.0 L TCE90 and a 1.3 L TCE140, delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. The integration of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, further enhances the vehicle's safety profile, ensuring a secure and confident driving experience. Practicality remains a defining characteristic of the Captur, with its adaptable cargo space providing significant versatility. The boot capacity stands at 422 litres with the rear seats upright, expanding to 1,275 litres when folded, accommodating a wide range of storage needs. A ground clearance of 174 mm positions the Captur as a viable choice for both urban environments and light off-road excursions.